Guys, I never thought I'd be in this situation, but a few months ago, I hit rock bottom. My energy was gone, my confidence had disappeared, and the worst part, my wife and I felt more like roommates than a couple. I'd come home from work completely exhausted. I had no energy to play with my kids, no motivation to hit the gym, and when it came to intimacy, let's just say I wasn't the man I used to be. One night, I saw the disappointment in my wife's eyes. She didn't say anything, but I could feel it. That moment crushed me. I knew something had to change. I wasn't ready to accept that this was just part of getting older. So I started looking for answers, and that's when I found Erectrozil. To be honest, I was skeptical. I had tried other things before, cutting back on alcohol, improving my diet, working out, but nothing really worked. So why would a supplement be any different? Still, I was desperate, so I decided to give Erectrozil a shot. I followed the directions and took it every day. And man, I'm so glad I did. Within a few weeks, I felt like myself again. My energy levels skyrocketed. I started waking up feeling refreshed. And the best part? My wife started looking at me differently. It wasn't just about the bedroom. I felt more confident, more present, and more alive. Well, what impressed me most about Erectrozil is how natural it is. No weird chemicals, no dangerous side effects, just powerful science-backed ingredients like L-citrulline, Tribulus terrestris, and zinc that help improve circulation, boost testosterone, and restore energy. And it's not just me saying this. There are hundreds of testimonials from guys who experienced the same transformation. And if that's not enough, Erectrozil comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, you get your money back. No risk, just results. But here's the big news. The same company that created Erectrozil just launched something even more powerful, Nitrox Pro. It's 3x stronger than Erectrozil, designed for men who want faster and more intense results. Whether you're dealing with ED or just want to perform at your absolute best, Nitrox Pro is the next level. The catch? It's in pre-launch with limited stock, and early buyers get a huge discount. If you want to feel the difference, don't wait. Click the link in the description and grab yours now. I know what it's like to feel like your best days are behind you, but trust me, you don't have to accept that. Erectrozil changed everything for me, and it can do the same for you. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. And if you have any questions, I'd love to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Click the link in the description and claim your Nitrox Pro before it's gone.